Doctors shocked. Secret vitamin stops leg cramps fast. Hey, what's up, shadow seekers? Welcome back to Health Up to Date, the dark side of health where we unearth truths they've buried deep. Imagine this. You're ripped from sleep by a leg cramp so fierce it feels like a beast clawing your muscles. Your legs weaken, daily steps turn into battles, and you're left wondering if your body's giving up. But here's the twist. This isn't just aging. It's a hidden sabotage, and one secret vitamin can stop it cold, leaving doctors speechless. If leg cramps, weakness, or aches haunt you, this could restore your power in days. Stick around till the end for the reveal that's shaking the medical world. Hit that like button now if you're ready to pierce the shadows, and subscribe for more life-saving truths. Let's dive in. Look around. Millions are ensnared in this silent trap. Nighttime cramps that hit like a storm, legs too frail for simple walks, muscles fading no matter what you do. Think it's just getting older? That's the myth they've spun to keep you chained. I plunged into the shadows, hunted down insiders, scoured suppressed studies. The truth? Over 70% of people over 60 lack a nutrient, so critical it's like fuel for your legs. It's not just poor diet or lack of movement, though those stoke the fire. It's darker, rooted in a gap your body can't fill alone. Remember when your legs powered you through life effortlessly? What stole that spark? It hides in your daily habits. Drop a comment. What's crushing my legs? Coming up, the lies they've fed you for decades. Stay locked in. All right, let's smash the illusions. Lie number 1, stretch it out or walk more. You've heard it, yoga flows, daily strolls to stay limber. But in the dark corners, research shows stretching alone can't touch the root, and pushing through risks falls or worse. Someone I know leaned hard on exercise until a cramp left them grounded, in agony for weeks. True story. Lie number 2, electrolytes fix everything. Chug sports drinks, eat bananas for potassium. Sounds solid, right? But without this secret nutrient, cramps will still stalk you. I tried every hydration trick, magnesium shots, electrolyte pills. A fleeting boost, then the weakness struck harder. Why? The real villain lurks in your nutrient gaps. And lie number 3, the darkest. Painkillers or relaxers are your answer. Pop those pills? You're just silencing the alarm while the damage grows. Most carry side effects that erode leg strength further. Later, I'll share natural sources and vetted options with links in the description to empower you. But here's the hook. All these lies circle one secret vitamin that halts cramps fast. No drugs, no delays. It's ancient, potent, and buried by design. Don't move. Next, I'll show how close you are to breaking without it. Now the chilling truth. If you're over 60 and watching, your legs are likely screaming for help. Night cramps that jolt you awake? Sign 1, your muscles are starving. Legs shaky or heavy on short walks? Sign 2, strength draining away. Random spasms or nagging aches? Sign 3, decay creeping in unnoticed. I've been there. Dark nights, ER visits, tests that found nothing. Experts shrugged, pushed more meds. But in the shadows, I uncovered the key. Real talk. Up to 80% of mobility issues, from arthritis to falls, trace to this one nutrient gap. Not just bad luck, it's engineered. Teaser. It's vanished from most diets, a silent thief of your power. Comment your worst symptom. Let's forge a shadow community. Subscribe for the full reversal guide. Up next, why they've hidden it, the conspiracy unfolds. Time to go deeper. Why bury this vitamin? Follow the profits. Big Pharma banks billions on your endless treatments, creams, injections, pills that manage but never cure. Food giants push processed junk that strips this nutrient, keeping you hooked. Insiders reveal studies were hushed to protect their empires. One ex-researcher whispered, "This could empty exam rooms in weeks." It's a game changer. It halts cramps, rebuilds muscles, and guides calcium to your bones, not your arteries. Ancient cultures knew it. Japanese monks thrived on a fermented dish packed with this vitamin, staying agile into old age. But today? Modern diets and indoor lives have nearly erased it. Society pushes the opposite. Fast food, endless screens, fueling your decline. I tested it, from wincing at steps to striding boldly in days. You can too, if you stay till the end. Don't fade out, the reveal is closing in. Almost there, shadows. Picture nights of deep sleep, legs that carry you with force, no fear of crumbling under a cramp's grip. No more failed remedies, no more dreading movement. This vitamin is like a hidden switch, reigniting your body's lost strength, ancient wisdom backed by science buried because it's too easy. I've dropped clues: nutrient thief, cramp killer, suppressed secret. One last tale: a friend in their 70s, barely able to walk a block without pain. They embraced this. Now they're out running their grandkids on trails. Proof hides in the shadows. Hold tight, reveal in 60 seconds. All right, you've earned it. The secret vitamin that stops leg cramps fast? Vitamin K2, the shadow assassin. Like a master key, it directs calcium to fortify your bones and muscles, crushing cramps and restoring power in days. Found in ancient staples like natto, the fermented soy Japanese elders swore by, or in aged cheeses and grass-fed meats, K2's MK7 form delivers the fastest results. Why dark? It's ignored for pricier fixes, but its power is unmatched. Start tomorrow. Aim for 100-200 mcg daily through foods or vetted supplements. Check my curated links in the description. Your legs will surge back to life. Cramps vanish, strength returns. If this blew your mind, comment K2 Unleashed and subscribe for more shadow truths. Share with someone trapped by pain. Let's spread the darkness. Stay shadowy. Peace.